So, interestingly enough, I've seen a lot of people actually mention recently of unbending their iPhones. So, essentially, if you pull out your iPhone one day and you notice that there's a little slight bend in your iPhone, whether it's like here or whether it's another area, well, you may be perceived to think that you should immediately go ahead and unbend your device. Now, there are limits to this. For one, if you do actually see that there's a big bend, let's say it's like completely bent, if you try bending it the other way, you are going to crack your display and you may even crack the back glass, which may even end up cracking the camera, to be honest. There are so many components within your iPhone here and on the other area as well that if you're trying to go ahead and unbend your iPhone, and if it's a massive bend, there's really no point. There, you should just keep it as it is if it's still functional, and you should probably just try to see if you can put some sort of case on it to make it a little bit of like a less bend. But beyond that, I don't think you should try unbending your iPhone pretty much in any scenario, especially if it's a really big bend. However, if it's a slight one, meaning that it's like a slight curve, you can kind of tell, like, with this iPhone, I don't really have a curve on it. But with other iPhones I have owned, I have noticed that there is a slight curve and a slight bend on the back here, kind of like bends inwards, like in this area. And to those iPhones, I would also say you really shouldn't have to worry too much about unbending them. As long as it's still fully functional, you probably shouldn't even mess with it. If anything, you can go ahead, if you want to try this, I've seen a couple of people do it, is lay the iPhone flat on its back like this and try putting something that's kind of heavier kind of on the top of it to kind of even it out. I would not put it directly on the display. I would put it on the back of it, something maybe, I don't know, something heavier, like maybe like a book or something, a little like heavy textbook. Put it on the back of here, and over time it'll probably get less bent. But at that point, even as long as it doesn't affect the functionality, you should be fine. So I probably wouldn't even mess with it, to be honest. So in terms of that, it kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.